How to turn everyday basic items into a headboard. Hey guys, YouTube Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be starting off with carpet tiles. This is one of the carpet tiles from a lot of carpet tiles that I have had that I was supposed to use for my other apartment, and I never got the chance to use it because of the colors. I have a lot of these, and they're super easy to use because they're self-adhesive. They come in different colors, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I decided to use one of the colors for a headboard. This is the closest one that I could use that I think I'm going to like. So all I'm doing now is taking out the measurements and drawing long lines as my guide for when I'll be applying tape on the wall. Remember that I got the measurements of each and every one of the boxes from the long lines that I drew with the one carpet tile that I had placed on the wall and traced out the lines going all the way down, and this was helpful because I got the pattern quick and easy. For the sides, I'm going to be covering foam boards with marble contact paper, and these are the boards that are going to be carrying the lighting for the headboard. I'll be attaching the boards to the wall with tack nails. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to start peeling off the back of the carpet tiles and attaching them to the wall. I cut some of the carpet to size to fit the design. For the lighting, I'll be using an acrylic cup. Now you can use any other cylindrical shape object that you have in your home, but I have a lot of these cups, so I'm going to be measuring out circles from the cup, cutting out the shape, and attaching them to the top and to the bottom. I'll be attaching remote control lighting to the top and the bottom. I'll have this glued inside a table runner for the lighting. You can change the batteries by putting your hands inside and getting to the battery pack. But I noticed that it was a little bit tight for me, so later on I'll cut the length just a bit to make it much easier for me to get to the battery pack. The holes on the mat is how I'm going to have this mounted on the wall. And just like that, in a matter of about 3 to 4 hours, I was able to make a headboard with a beautiful lighting to go with it. I went with this color because I didn't want to throw all the tiles that I have away. Now you can definitely use the color of your choice for this design. Using the link that I have down below, you can choose a color of your choice. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.